This YouTube channel is less than a year old, has over 500,000 subscribers, and receives over 40 million views every month by simply uploading videos with stock footage and an AI voiceover. What if I told you there is now a free AI tool that allows you to create the same viral YouTube shorts by simply describing what you want in the short? Well, it's true. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make viral YouTube shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks in seconds with the power of AI. The tool we are going to use is called Fliki, and it has a new feature called Idea to Video. With this feature, you can simply describe in one sentence what your short needs to be about, and Fliki's AI will write the script, choose the footage, create a voiceover, add subtitles to the video, and even select suitable background music, all within seconds. So, what kind of videos could we make with this tool? Well, I stumbled upon a YouTube channel called Nature Lens. They specialize in creating informative videos about animals, and their most popular videos have over 20 million views. According to Social Blade, this channel is a year old and already has over 750,000 subscribers, receiving over 22 million views every month. So, it's safe to say this channel is making thousands of dollars. Let's take a look at one of their videos. These videos consist of stock footage, AI voiceovers, subtitles, and background music, making them perfect for our tool. So let's get started. Firstly, you want to go to Fliki. I have put the link to Fliki in the description of this video, so if you would like to test this method out, simply use this link and get started. When you have created an account, you will enter this screen here. You want to go to Files and select a new file. For this video, I'm going to make a video about crows as an example. So, give your file a name and click on Create. Here is where the magic happens. On the left, you have your scenes where you can manually add a voiceover, a script, and choose footage. However, we don't want to do it manually, of course, so let's delete this. Now, what you want to do is go to Convert in the top right corner, and we are going to use the Idea to Video feature. Here you can insert the topic you want your video to be about. It can be as simple as amazing facts about crows. Now you can choose the length of the video and the style the video will be in. This is more of an informational video because you are trying to educate people. However, because it is a YouTube short, you want to make it highly engaging. If you choose informational, it will be slow-paced and a little bit boring for a short. You want to have a high retention rate. Otherwise, YouTube will not push the video. So, I found that you get a good balance between educational and engaging by setting the style to explainer. When you have everything filled in, you can select Submit, and within a few seconds, Fliki has made an amazing short. See, Fliki's AI has made 7 scenes, all with their own text, footage, and voiceover. What we want to do now is go to Settings, set the aspect ratio to Portrait, and hit Save. I don't really like the subtitle settings Fliki has chosen, so I will manually change that as well. Select the text on the left, and as you can see on the right, the subtitle menu appears. I'm going to place the subtitles in the middle and change the font to Oswald. I'm changing the size to large and set the display to Word. This way, the subtitles will be shown word by word and not in entire sentences. Lastly, I'm going to change the color to a bright yellow so it stands out more, and I'm going to leave the background color black, but I will set the opacity to 70%. This will give the black background color of the text a slightly see-through effect, which looks very nice. Lastly, you want to select Apply to Similar Layers so the changes you made to the subtitles will be applied to the entire video. Now let's have a look, and keep in mind I haven't changed anything except the aspect ratio and the subtitle settings.
Meet the crow, one of nature's most intelligent creatures. With brains rivaling that of a 7-year-old human, these birds are truly remarkable. Crows have a complex language, with unique calls to alert their flock about incoming dangers or food sources. Incredibly, they use tools like twigs or wires to fetch food from hard-to-reach places, showcasing their problem-solving skills.
All right, you get the point. In my opinion, This is already extremely impressive. However, the most important factor that makes your short go viral is the retention rate. This shows how much, on average, people have watched the video. I have a special trick for you on how you can boost your retention rate within Fliki. But before I show you this, geez, Hacks fam, gather round because we're about to embark on what some might call the most life-changing journey since the invention of avocados on toast. If you're here, you're either daydreaming about becoming the next YouTube sensation, or you're already elbow deep in the content creation trenches. Now brace yourselves for the ultimate engagement challenge. No, not the romantic kind, but the kind that involves you tapping that like button and performing a ceremonial subscribe smash. It's like proposing to your future self, but without the awkward silence and nervous sweating. So here's the deal, my soon-to-be co-conspirators. You hit like button, you hit subscribe, and bam! Your burning questions, my probably questionable answers, we're going to turn this adventure into a page-turner. Buckle up, fam, because we're strapping ourselves in for what's sure to be a roller coaster ride through the weird and wonderful world of YouTube. All right, moving on. For shorts, you always want to aim for 100 retention or more. Maybe you are asking yourself how you can have more than 100 retention. Well, if everybody would watch your short twice, you would have a 200 retention rate. So, to keep the retention high, you want to make the short highly engaging. First, what I would definitely do in the first part is switch up the footage a lot more. You can do this by adding a scene and copying the text you want to have in this separate scene. Then you can manually add footage to this scene by selecting the image icon. Search for something you think that matches the scene and select it. Now for the special trick to boost retention, what you're going to do is select a scene. Here you can now select a layer, then you're going to select Picture in Picture. As you can see in the top right corner, a gray block has now appeared. You can fill this block with an extra video, a photo, or a GIF. Fliki has collaborated with Jiffy, one of the largest databases of GIFs. GIFs are mostly funny short looping clips, and therefore are a great way to boost the retention for shorts. So, this scene talks about how intelligent crows are. Let's search for the keyword intelligent. Now, I'm going to place the GIF in the bottom center of the video, and I will set the size to large. I'm going to do this for the rest of the video so that it has more footage, and I'm going to put a few GIFs in there. Now for the last step, I'm going to change the voiceover. I have a premium account for Fliki. This way, you have access to the premium voices that sound extremely impressive. If you are using the free account, you won't be able to use all the voices, and you have a limited selection of footage you can use. However, it's definitely enough for you to make a few great videos. Fliki has one of the most impressive selections of AI voices. They have voices in more than 75 languages and with a lot of different dialects. So, I would like to get the real David Attenborough experience. I'm going to choose a voice from the United Kingdom. When you have found one you like, you are going to click on Apply this voice to all the voiceovers and hit Select. And now, the video is done. All right, let's have a look at the final result.
Amazing facts about crows. Meet the crow, one of nature's most intelligent creatures. With brains rivaling that of a 7-year-old human, these birds are truly remarkable. Crows have a complex language, with unique calls to alert their flock about incoming dangers or food sources. Incredibly, they use tools like twigs or wires to fetch food from hard-to-reach places, showcasing their problem-solving skills. Did you know crows hold funerals? They gather around their dead as a way to learn about threats and avoid them in the future. Lastly, they're known to recognize human faces. So, befriend a crow, and it'll remember you for years.
So, if you would like to easily make viral YouTube shorts, I would suggest you check out the link in the description of this video. I will also make a few more videos on what you can do with Fliki on this channel. So, until next time, have a wonderful time.